Mom and Dad, click off of this video, please. Today's the day. I'm actually terrified. Ooh, okay. Today's June 3rd and I'm going on vacation in 5 days. Getting a Brazilian wax for the first time ever. And you know, I'm gonna take you guys with me. I'm gonna tell you how this is gonna go down. I'm actually terrified. Should I take Benadryl? No, I shouldn't. It's okay. I'll be fine. I was like, what better way to make this an experience than film the whole thing? So I'm Caroline. If this is the first video of mine that you're watching, I deeply apologize. I promise you there's other stuff. This isn't like my normal content. The girl that I'm getting a wax with, her name is Madeline. I think I literally have her paper in my purse. Hold on. Oh yeah, this is hers. Okay, I'll put her Instagram and stuff on the screen so that you guys can go to her after. But she's really, really good. I get my eyebrows and like my lip waxed from her. She knows what's up. She's amazing. I love her. Since everything is bigger and better in Texas, I was like, I'm just gonna go big or go home and do the full Brazilian, which is everything on the... I didn't do anything to prepare for this. You're supposed to let your hair grow out 1/4 of an inch. I think mine's 1/4 of an inch. I don't know. See you guys once I get there, and yeah, I'll update you after and let you know how this experience is going. Oh my god! I'm gonna start crying. You guys see my eyes already watering? Future's hyping me up.
1, 2, 3. You did great.
Okay.
First one's down. No.
Crazy right now. Okay, so I'm getting my hair done, and I used to be fully blonde. I don't know if you guys remember this, but I have been 10 months dark hair because I was completely blonde. I don't think it's a surprise that I'm back here. I just love getting my hair done. So I'm gonna show you guys my inspo photos that I used. I'll put them on the screen, but right now my hair is processing in this big heater thing. I've got so many foils on my head right now. I'm so excited. Oh my god, my hair is so blonde. Oh shit, I don't even know what to say. Do we like? What's up? So we're at Kirby Lane right now, and I got this shot. Looks really weird because all this chocolate sauce, whatever. It's pretty good. I give it an 8. I've never had turkey sausage ever, and this is really good. Hey guys, welcome back. We're starting this fine Friday morning off Kirby Lane. I'm eating turkey sausage. First time ever. I give it like a 7. But yeah. It does look pretty good. You want to try one? You gotta try a bite. Tell us what you got. So I got some bacon with scrambled eggs and chocolate chip pancakes. Amazing. Yeah, I got this strawberry banana oat something French toast. So yum.
Forget about it for this summer.
Guys, I'm getting my ears pierced as we speak.
Yeah, she is.
Wanna say hi to the vlog?
So, psych. They didn't do cartilage piercings. Like,
That was such a letdown. They literally have photos outside saying that they do it and they literally don't. So,
we don't do that here at this time.
I got a weird vibe from her anyways. Yeah. I don't know if I wanted her piercing my ears. Okay, we're gonna go shopping now. It's freaking hot, y'all.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Carolinemanning.
Please subscribe. Alright, hydrate.
Hydration break. We went and did a little bit of shopping. Nothing crazy. But this is what I got. Went into Lululemon. Ooh, I got two things. First thing I got was this sports bra in that new blue color. I don't know if it's a new color, but
It doesn't say the color of it.
but it's the, isn't it like Pacific blue or something?
I think so. But it's the Nulu fabric, which is so good. I love that fabric.
Yeah, so I got that. And then I got this tank top because I don't have this color yet. It's kind of, it has like different colors in it. But I got this tank top to ride my horse in. Oh, and the inside's like that. It's kind of,
Is it reversible?
I don't think it's reversible.
Yeah, they had a pop-up shop at the Galleria. That's where we're at right now. And it was actually really big for a pop-up shop. So, alright, I got some stuff from H&M. I wanted to get my cartilage pierced today, but the lady said she couldn't do it. And I've gotten it done before, it just closed, so I wanted to get it again. And Claire's does it, I guess she just couldn't do it. So, it's okay. So I got 4 different swimsuits from H&M. So, first off, I got this little white one with a little bow in the middle. I like H&M swimsuits because they're super cheap and the sizing, like I know my size. I don't ever have to like second guess it. Then I got these green swimsuit bottoms.
And those like high-waisted sort of.
Let me see, I actually don't know. Are they? I think they're low rise, but I'd probably pull them up. Yeah, that's the plan. Then I got this cute little purple swimsuit, which I've never owned a swimsuit in this color before, but it's so cute. And I've been wearing a lot of triangle swimsuits this summer, but I really like this type of cut too, you know? It's got a cute tie in the back. And then last but not least is this green triangle swimsuit. Super cute, really excited to wear these. It's hot as balls outside though. We're going to Seaside, meet and greet, but I'm not telling you when.
You just gotta get lucky.
You just gotta get lucky with the date.
He stabbed me.
Let me see, let's see. Yeah, we're going to Seaside.
No, I can't.
Comment down below if you're going to Seaside this summer, but we're gonna leave it a mystery as to what dates we're going because that would ruin the fun.
And if you're there, just say hi.
We'll see you guys later.
I can't wait. Hey guys. And I'm really excited. My mom said that y'all could come visit for spring break. We could go to Seaside and like rent a house.
Yes. And hopefully all of us are cuffed.
Yeah. Oh. Like a new beach boyfriend. Moving to Panama City in the summer, so hit me up. Anyways, so we're going to Maddie's graduation party. And yeah, just that. What's up, gang? Just got a package from Aritzia. Don't scan that barcode either.
Don't scan.
Let's see what they sent. Did you order this or they just sent it to you?
I sent it. Or I ordered it.
Alright. Let's see.
I kind of forgot what I ordered because I ordered this a long time
Alright, you open up the box. Boom. That's what you see.
Oh.
Then, am I sitting on something? Oh, no. What could it be inside? Oh, this is the actual package. Alright. Oh, okay. So first, we have some little Spank biker shorts. Can y'all see them? Just black. They have that little logo right there.
They're actually really soft.
And then we have 2 pairs of socks.
TNA, best socks ever. Oh my god, I feel like I'm about to yak.
Dude.
I need to like throw up really quick.
I thought I was gonna throw up earlier too.
Like, I don't know why, but I feel like I'm about to literally throw up. I also glued my nail back on because it fell off.
Oh.
Making some throw up noises.
Oh. Caroline, are you okay?
Dude, I don't know why. I just like fell asleep all of a sudden.
Hey y'all. Fit check for today. Fanny pack is Lululemon. Shirt is my friend's Harley Davidson. Shorts, Lulu, Nike.